What's up, everyone? My name is Tyler, and this is Earth's Cuisine. So, we are right in the middle of summer, so I wanted to give you a good summer recipe, and this is one I've been wanting to do for a while. I think this is actually the first ever recipe that I veganized, which is a big part of what I do on this channel now. So today, I'm going to show you how to make some vegan Doritos Takis corn on the cob. Before we get started, however, if you are new to this channel, let me first welcome you. This is Earth's Cuisine. Here I make a lot of awesome vegan recipes that you won't find anywhere else. I review vegan products, and we talk a lot about eating more healthy and sustainably. So, if any of that sounds good to you, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a video. And by the way, we did recently pass 100 subscribers on this channel, and I just want to thank you all so much. Let's keep it going. So for this recipe, you'll need 6 ears of corn, a 1/4 cup of vegan mayonnaise, a 1/4 cup of vegan sour cream, a 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of cumin, a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, and a small bag of either Doritos or Takis. I'm going to use about half of each bag so I can demonstrate using each one. And also, make sure the flavor you pick is vegan because not all of them are. All right, without any more delay, let's get cooking. All right, and here we have our vegan Doritos Takis corn on the cob. If you would like to make the recipe, I'll have it linked as a PDF down in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And if you did, don't forget to drop me a like on this video, share it with a friend, and of course, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And I'll see you next time. Peace.